Okay, so we're asked to find the value of AER and place it in the table here. Now, for that, we use this formula, of course, which is given to us on page 2. And we use the nominal interest rate here, 7.6%. Now, I is what the nominal interest rate is, but as a decimal. So don't put 7.6% into your formula. Okay, you've got to change this into a decimal. So, of course, percent means out of 100, yeah? So, as a decimal, then, that will be 0.076. Okay, so you check that on your calculator, but that's what we need. We need it as a decimal. Now, because it's paid quarterly, N then represents how many periods there are of payment, how many compounding periods. Quarterly then means obviously every 3 months, every quarter, there's going to be 4 payments, isn't there? So to get AER, you simply then chuck it into the formula, so it'll be 1 plus then the I, which is 0.076, divide by n, which is 4 to the power 4, take away 1. So you can do all that in one go on your calculator. And we get out then our answer. Now it's important to write down some of these decimal places here, so write down a few, that'll do. And then as a decimal, we'd have this, our answer as a decimal, but usually they'd want us as a percentage. You can see here they've got it as a percentage. So when you get your answer out, never leave it like this, always change it to a percentage, because AER formula gives us a decimal, as it says in the formula page. So times it by 100 then to get it into a percentage. So this will be 7.82, correct to 2 decimal places when I round that there. So in part B then, it says explain why AER is used by the banks. Well, quite simply, AER is a sort of fair way of comparing different bank accounts, okay? So to compare different bank accounts fairly, essentially.